In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize text to your videos using the CapCut app, a powerful and user-friendly tool for video editing. Whether you're creating content for social media, making a personal project, or spicing up a presentation, adding text can make your message pop. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get started on this creative journey. First, open the CapCut app on your device. If this is your first time, don't worry. CapCut's interface is designed to be intuitive even for beginners. Once you've opened the app, look for the New Project button. Tapping on this will allow you to start fresh and bring in your media files. It might be helpful to have your video content ready to upload to save time. Next, you'll need to select the video you want to work with. When you tap to open your video gallery, choose the video you'd like to edit and load it into the timeline. The timeline is where all the magic happens. It's where you can see and manage everything happening with your video. Once your video is ready on the timeline, direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll find the text button. This is your gateway to adding text elements to your video. Tap on it, and you'll see various options to enhance your video with text. After tapping on the text button, an option saying Add Text will appear. Go ahead and tap it. This will bring up a text box on your screen. You can now type whatever message or information you wish to display in the video. This could be a narrative caption, title, or any text that fits your video's context. With your text inputted, it's time to make it look great. Below the text box, you'll find several customization options that allow you to change the font, color, style, and even add animations to your text. Feel free to play around with these settings. For instance, choosing a bold font or bright color can make your text more readable, especially if your video background is visually busy. Now that your text looks perfect, you'll need to set when and how long it appears on the screen. You can do this by dragging the text box on the timeline. Adjust it to suit the timing of your video content. For example, you might want it to appear at the beginning as an introduction, or perhaps later on to highlight a specific scene. Congratulations! You've learned how to add and customize text to your videos using CapCut. This simple yet impactful skill can significantly elevate the quality and engagement of your video projects. Feel free to experiment with different fonts, colors, and animations to make your videos truly stand out. Thank you for watching and enjoy creating.